Hello there and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you on how to fix low GPU usage in games, a common issue that can affect performance and frame rates, like FPS. If you are new here, be sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. First of all, you have to open your Windows PC, click Start, and search for Control Panel. You have to search for Control Panel on your PC. Here you can see this, tap onto it, go to System and Security, search for the System and Security option, search for the System and Security option, System, and search for the System option, tap onto it. Whether you are on Windows 10 or Windows 10, look to the right side and click on Advanced System Settings. Search for the Advanced System Settings. That should be somewhere here. Wait, let me find the option again. Search for the system properties here. So you have to tap onto this option, which is basically this one, how to change the virtual size of virtual memory. You have to tap onto this and it will redirect you to this website. So first, unlock automatically managing paging file size for all device. Select your primary drive, usually the C drive, and choose custom size. In both the initial size and maximum size boxes type are 4096, then select any secondary drives and choose no paging files. Click Set and OK on all windows to apply the changes. Then lastly, you have to restart your PC to apply all settings, and that's it. This is as simple as that. So if this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.